This is the elevator in the Huntington Arcade at the Prudential Center. And it's here waiting for us. Let's go to the street. Shake. And see, nothing has changed with this elevator either, but the mall has been renovated. And sort of reflected ceiling. Here are the fixtures. There's no fun with this alarm bell. 125 feet per minute. And it's not 4,500 pounds. It's 2,500. Let's go back up to lobby. Plot leveling. And on the street. Ultra close does not work. I don't like that. Now you can't see out. And here we are. And there it goes, and that'll be it.